Today we're going to talk about observational drawing. Observational drawing is drawing what you see, which sounds really simple, but tends to be a complicated task. That just means that you're drawing what you see, what's actually there, as close to what's physically there as possible, not making up extra details or drawing what you think should be there versus what's actually in front of you. A good way to practice this is blind contour drawing. Blind contour drawing means that you're drawing the outline contour of the details of whatever object is in front of you. What it also means is not looking at the paper that you're drawing on while you draw it. This is a really fun activity, which is very helpful to training you to use your eye to draw and not your brain. So let's get started. I've got my sketchbook here on the easel, and I've got my cardinal here in the front of the camera. So what I'd like for you to notice is I'm going to draw on the sketchbook while I'm only looking at the bird in the reflection of my camera. My eyes are never going to leave the camera. I'm not going to look at this paper one time. I'm going to draw slowly and carefully and try to get as many of the subtle details in this big picture as I can, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Ready? Here we go. If you notice, my eyes are slowly traveling over the surface of the bird. I'm trying to match my hand with my eyes as closely as I possibly can. By traveling slowly over the bird, I can get the most accurate information possible. Now remember, I'm not looking at my paper. So, is it going to be a lifelike picture of this bird? No, but you'll be really surprised at how many details and how accurate I can be at drawing without looking at the paper because I'm slowing down and I'm paying attention to the image in front of me. Not too bad, right? Okay, now it's your turn. Choose any object that you'd like and practice drawing slowly and carefully, using your eyes as your pencil while you can't see your paper.